Sapiens: A Brief History of Humankind, by Yuval Noah Harari, is a thought-provoking book that explores the history of humanity, from the emergence of Homo sapiens in Africa to the present day. Harari argues that it was our ability to create and share stories that allowed us to cooperate in large numbers and form complex societies. This cognitive revolution, as he calls it, is what set us apart from other animals and enabled us to dominate the planet. The first part of the book, The Cognitive Revolution, discusses the development of language and culture. Harari argues that our ability to create and believe in stories, such as gods, nations, and money, has allowed us to cooperate in large numbers, create complex societies, and build empires. This, in turn, led to the emergence of agriculture, which was a turning point in human history. Part 2. The Agricultural Revolution explores the transition from hunter-gatherer societies to agricultural ones, and the social and environmental consequences of this shift. Harari explains how agriculture led to the rise of cities and the creation of social hierarchies, as well as the emergence of new diseases and the extinction of many plant and animal species. He also discusses the impact of the domestication of animals on human societies and the ethics of using animals for human purposes. In Part 3, The Unification of Humankind, Harari examines the rise of empires and the spread of monotheistic religions. He argues that these developments allowed for the creation of global trade networks and the sharing of ideas and technology, but also resulted in the spread of violence, oppression, and inequality. Harari also discusses the impact of European colonialism on the rest of the world, and the rise of nationalism and globalism in the modern era. Finally, Part 4, The Scientific Revolution, discusses the impact of science and technology on human societies. From the Industrial Revolution to the present day, Harari argues that the scientific worldview has enabled humans to make unprecedented progress in areas such as medicine and technology, but has also led to environmental degradation, social and economic inequality, and the potential for catastrophic global crises. He also discusses the potential impact of future technologies, such as artificial intelligence and genetic engineering, on the future of humanity. Throughout the book, Harari draws on a wide range of disciplines, including anthropology, biology, history, and philosophy, to provide a comprehensive overview of the history of humanity. He also raises important questions about the future of human societies, the impact of technology on our lives, and the role of storytelling in shaping our collective future. Overall, Sapiens: A Brief History of Humankind is a fascinating and thought-provoking book that provides a comprehensive overview of the history of our species and the challenges we face as a global community. Harari's writing style is engaging and accessible, making it an enjoyable read for anyone interested in the history of humanity and the future of our species.